Welcome to the RVA MakerFest's Maker Highlight. In this episode, we'll meet Claire Hollingsworth of Claire's Lab, and she'll teach us how to make her delicious movie theater floor.
I'm making my movie theater floor today.
Movie theater floor.
Yes.
Why do you call it that?
Because it's basically everything you'd find on the floor of a movie theater stuck together with caramel instead of icky, sugary soda stuff.
All right, so you're going to teach me how to make this.
Yes.
Where do we start? Do we start with popcorn? Do we start with caramel? Where do we start?
We start with our popcorn. Every science experiment has a couple of failures, and those are the leftover kernels. I pour in the potato chips like a bottom layer. Pour in some pretzels. We use like 5 pretzels because then it's a good distribution. Dark chocolate M&Ms, but milk chocolate is good too. It's really your preference. Our peanuts.
A shot of peanuts.
And now we need to move on to the caramel. The butter is about half melted. So what I do
Butter's my favorite.
is I put in the heavy cream.
Okay.
Because then 2 liquids together is perfect. Then I mix in the brown sugar. Would you like to put the brown sugar?
Sure.
And then the vanilla extract. What's the point of that? So the heat moves all the way from the pot, or the pan, whatever you call it, up to the top of the metal. And so you get that heat on the actual metal part.
Yeah.
But yes, the oven sleeves.
I like the oven sleeves. I like the pattern too. How many patterns do you have?
Well, right now I have 2, but one of them's a limited edition.
And will you have them at the MakerFest to sell?
I will.
Okay.
Yes, and I'll also have my seasonings, but we want to focus on the oven sleeves because they're an invention, and MakerFest really likes to focus on inventors too.
Absolutely.
And my movie theater floor, which is a recipe I created.
Excellent.
So we've got the whisk, and I like tap it and then I turn it. You know, make sure that no drops get on our countertop.
What's that gonna eat if I eat it all?
So we did a box versus bag, and he decided he liked box better than bag because
Why?
bag you get to dig your hands in, Zach. Why don't you explain your reasoning too?
Oh, he's like me. He's too busy eating.
Yeah, me too.